you ever asked yourself the nature of your desires and your ambitions? Do you want the things you want because you genuinely want them or because other people have them? Like, sure, you could say you want a big house, but do you want the mortgage that comes with that house? Are you prepared to put in the extra hours of work to maintain that house? A lot of people will look outside of themselves and be like, oh, I want this thing or I want that thing, but they don't really want it. They're just envious of other people's situation. So it's important to keep that in mind, not chase after the Joneses.